Action verb sentences. I am running. I am running. I am reading. I am reading. I am writing. I am writing.
Aha!
I am eating. Delicious. I am eating. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am dancing. Great. I am dancing. I am singing. I am singing. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am smiling. I am smiling. I am angry. I am angry. I am thinking. I am thinking.
Aha!
I am drawing. I am drawing. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. I am studying. I am studying. I am talking. I am talking. I am listening. I am listening. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am riding my bicycle. I am riding my bicycle. I am helping my mom. I am helping my mom. I am making a cake. I am making a cake. I am taking a nap. I am taking a nap. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am playing piano. I am playing piano. I am taking a shower. I am taking a shower. I am dressing up. I am dressing up. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am feeding the birds. I am feeding the birds. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am riding a horse. I am riding a horse. I am playing soccer. I am playing soccer. I am throwing the ball. I am throwing the ball. I am catching a butterfly. I am catching a butterfly. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. I am flying a kite. I am flying a kite. I am playing the drums. I am playing the drums. I am playing in the rain. I am playing in the rain. I am blowing a bubble. I am blowing a bubble. I am playing with my puppy. I am playing with my puppy. I am enjoying my ice cream. I am enjoying my ice cream. I am having a picnic. I am having a picnic. I am building a fort. I am building a fort. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am blowing a kiss. I am blowing a kiss. I am blinking my eyes. I am blinking my eyes. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am pulling the cart. I am pulling the cart. I am liking and subscribing the video. I am liking and subscribing the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.